Hi, I am Satyashilan from third year Aeronautical Engineering in SNS College. CFC Center for Creativity. Today I am going to talk about the topic BMC Business Model Canvas. Why BMC? Strategic management tool easily define and communicate a business idea. Company selected from this link. I selected company Defense Engineering Corporation. Why DEC? Industrial verticals are agri and food technology, healthcare, energy, aerospace and defense, automobile industries, fintech and smart city. Innovation technologies, augmented and virtual reality, Internet of Things, AI, ML, data analytics, robotics and automation, additive manufacturing. I selected this topic below: aerospace, defense and robotic and automation. DEC, Defense Engineering Corporation. This is an engineering company. It is started in 2007. It is a product development company. There are 11 to 50 employees in this company. Defense Engineering Corporation DEC provide high value, high quality engineering and product development service to customer and collaborate in the Department of Defense and Industry. Specialized in advanced sensor and processing technology for intelligence, surveillance and recognition ISR. DCE's mission is to develop military capability through efficient collaborative research and development programs. We are driven by the principle of providing responsive, high value, high quality engineering, research development, test and evaluate products and service to our government customers and collaborators. Products: REX Embedded Computing Components, REX Embedded FPGA Module, and REX Scalable Embedded Flash Memory and REX IO Module. Product configuration: petabyte computing and storage, smart sensors, smart blocks. DEE associations. DEE is proud to associated with these fine organizations. Steps for BMC. First, understanding their customer and value proportion to transaction. Second, identify the mode of connecting their customer. Third, understand their strategy for customer relationship. Fourth, what are the key resources for this company? Fifth, what are the key activities they do to connect their customer? Sixth, who are the key partners for this company? Seventh, what are the components of their cost structure? Eighth, what are the source for their revenue? Thank you.